Hi, welcome to another lesson in arithmetic. The lesson this time is multi-digit multiplication. In previous lessons, we studied how to perform basic multiplications, how to master the multiplication table, and how to do the multiplication by hand technique. We also discussed the properties of multiplication. I am sure that by now, you have already mastered single-digit multiplication. If you know single-digit multiplication, multi-digit multiplication will be easy. Let us take 3 times 45 as the first example. Like what is done with multi-digit addition and subtraction, it is also best that expressions in multi-digit multiplication are written vertically, with the digits aligned according to their place values. Multiplication, as discussed in the previous lesson, is commutative, and the order of the factors does not matter, but it is best that the factor with more digits is written on top, and the factor with fewer digits is written at the bottom of the expression. Let us start. Multiplication is started with the digit in the ones place of the number at the bottom. Multiplication is performed with that digit and each and every digit of the number on top, starting with the digit in the ones place. In this example, we start with 3 times 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. The product, 15, is a two-digit number, and you cannot simply write it below the bar or the equal sign. The digits in the product should also be written aligned to the correct place values. To write 15, 5 is brought down aligned to the ones place, and 1 is brought up aligned to the next place value. Next, the product of 3 and 4 is then taken, plus the number brought up in the previous operation. The operation then becomes 3 times 4 equals 12 plus 1 equals 13. Since there is no more digit to multiply 3 by, 13 is simply brought down. 3 times 45 is therefore equal to 135. Next example. 24 times 275. Again, write the expression vertically with the digits in the correct place values aligned. Start the operation with the digit in the ones place of the factor at the bottom, and the ones place of the factor on top. In this example, we start with 4 times 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. Bring down 0. Bring up 2. Next. 4 times 7 equals 28, plus 2 equals 30. Bring down 0. Bring up 3. Next. 4 times 2 equals 8, plus 3 equals 11. There is no more digit in the next place of the factor on top, so 11 is simply brought down. Now, we are done taking the products of 4 and each digit of the factor on top. We now proceed with the digit in the next place value of the factor at the bottom. In this example, that digit is 2. 2 is to be multiplied by each and every digit of the factor on top, starting with the digit in the ones place value. We simply do the process we did for digit 4. 2 times 5 equals 10. Bring down 0. Question. Where do we bring 0 down? Bring 0 down, and write it aligned with the tens value. It should be aligned with the tens value because we are now multiplying with the digit in the tens place of the factor at the bottom. Again. 2 times 5 equals 10. Bring down 0. Bring up 1. Next. 2 times 7 equals 14, plus 1 equals 15. Bring down 5. Bring up 1. Next. 2 times 2 equals 4, plus 1 equals 5. Bring down 5. The next step is to add the products following how they are arranged and aligned. Be careful using your calculator in taking the sum of the products. You might end up adding 1100 and 550. The second product is actually 5500. The other zero is not written because we started writing in the tens place in getting that product. If there is no digit written in the ones place, it has to be understood that it is 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 24 times 275 is therefore equal to 6,600. Welcome to Hippocampus Learning Videos. If you are enjoying the Hippocampus Learning videos, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when new learning videos are added to the channel. Hippocampus ETV is also on Patreon. Please check it out. Happy learning! Another example. 168 times 5,290. 8 times 0 equals 0. Bring down 0. Next. 8 times 9 equals 72. Bring down 2. Bring up 7. Next. 8 times 2 equals 16, plus 7 equals 23. Bring down 3. Bring up 2. Next. 8 times 5 equals 40, plus 2 equals 42. Bring down 42. Next. 6 times 0 equals 0. Bring down 0. Next. 6 times 9 equals 54. Bring down 4. Bring up 5. Next. 6 times 2 equals 12, plus 5 equals 17. Bring down 7. Bring up 1. Next. 6 times 5 equals 30, plus 1 equals 31. Bring down 31. Next. 1 times 0 equals 0. Bring down 0. Next. 1 times 9 equals 9. Next. 1 times 2 equals 2. Next. 1 times 5 equals 5. Next. Let us add the products. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 2 plus 0 plus 0 equals 2. 3 plus 4 plus 0 equals 7. 2 plus 7 plus 9 equals 18. Bring down 8. Bring up 1. 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 168 times 5,290 is therefore equal to 888,720. Last example. 33,333 times 77,777. Since the numbers of the digits of the factors are the same, whichever we put on top or bottom will not matter. In this example, let us put 33,333 on top. 7 times 3 equals 21. Bring down 1. Bring up 2. Next. 7 times 3 equals 21, plus 2 equals 23. Bring down 3. Bring up 2. Next. 7 times 3 equals 21, plus 2 equals 23. Bring down 3. Bring up 2. Next. 7 times 3 equals 21 plus 2 equals 23. Bring down 3. Bring up 2. Next. 7 times 3 equals 21 plus 2 equals 23. Bring down 23. Since the rest of the digits are again 7s and 3s, we might as well write the same product 4 more times, and ensure that they are written and aligned with the correct place values. Be careful writing the products, because if a digit is misplaced, the answer may end up being incorrect. The sum of the products is then taken, and the sum will be 2,592,540,741. 33,333 times 77,777 is therefore equal to 2,592,540,741. We have come to the end of our lesson once again. I hope you had fun and learned a lot. Multi-digit multiplication, as you have seen, is not that difficult. As long as you know the basics and understand single-digit multiplication, you will be able to perform the multi-digit version. I am sure you also understand now the benefit of knowing the multiplication table and knowing a few techniques, like the multiplication by hand technique. The next lesson will be about the division of whole numbers. It sounds exciting, isn't it? Thank you for joining us. We hope you continue studying and continue watching the Hippocampus learning videos. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!